Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious vegan burger to perfection. We will cover a few methods, ensuring you get a fantastic result every time. Begin by carefully unwrapping your vegan burger patties. Let them sit out for about 5 minutes to reach room temperature, which promotes even cooking. Always check the package for any specific guidance unique to your chosen brand, as some require thawing or different initial steps. Having all your ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. For a classic pan-fried vegan burger, begin by heating a sturdy non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or sunflower oil, spreading it evenly. Carefully place your vegan patties into the pan, leaving a little space between each one to ensure even cooking. Sear each side for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until you achieve a beautiful, crispy, golden brown crust and the patty is heated through. Grilling offers a fantastic smoky flavor. Start by preheating your grill to a medium-high setting, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush or spray your grill grates with a small amount of oil to prevent any sticking. Place the patties directly on the hot grates, making sure not to press them down. Grill each side for approximately 4 to 6 minutes, turning only once, until you see those appealing grill marks and the burger is thoroughly cooked. For a hands-off approach, consider baking or air frying. To bake, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the patties on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, carefully flipping them at the 10-minute mark for even cooking. If using an air fryer, set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway through for a consistently crispy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.